Hello friends. In this video I will continue analyzing the research and finish it. As I said in the last video, I decided to split the analysis into two parts so as not to load the information too much. Now what's left is to analyze the data from the competitive analysis of botanical gardens as well as the interviews. Then we will have to see which hypotheses that were put forward at the beginning of the research were confirmed and which ones were not. Based on the data obtained, we will continue to work directly on the design of the new website of the Botanical Garden. Analyzing the data on competitive analysis, I highlight such possible innovations as page with a blog 3D map of the area, FAQ, bank details, online payment for services, tariffs, and so on. Before starting the research, the following hypotheses were put forward. 1. The garden is visited by a small number of tourists due to the fact that they cannot fully familiarize themselves with the information about it on the internet. 2. The main category of citizens are locals between 30 and 50 years old, maybe older. 3. Visitors to the garden lack information about the garden's services and activities. 4. The design of the website is outdated and non-functional. 5. It would be convenient for visitors to book tickets and pay for garden services online. Thus, all the hypotheses put forward before the beginning of the study were confirmed, which cannot but be happy. All the work done was not in vain. At the end of the analysis, as an outcome and result, the following tasks and goals of the project were prescribed to be realized in the future. 1. Improve user experience. Create a more intuitive and user-friendly website interface for visitors to easily access information about the garden, its exhibits, events, research, and other content. 2. Increase attractiveness and informativeness. Develop an attractive visual design that reflects the beauty and diversity of plants in the garden, and enrich the site with information. 3. Increasing traffic and attracting new visitors. Optimizing the site for search engine SEO to increase its visibility in search results and attract more potential visitors interested in botany. 4. Increase awareness of events and promotions. Create a section with a calendar of events, promotions, exhibits, and educational programs to attract more visitors to events taking place at the garden. 5. Increase online sales. The Botanical Garden sells tickets and services online. A website redesign could focus on streamlining the purchase process and improving the shopping cart interface. 6. Maintaining relevance and informational value. Develop a blog or news section to regularly update the site with fresh information about plants, events, and scientific research. 7. Adapting for mobile devices. Creating an adaptive design that ensures the site is easy to view on mobile devices, as many visitors may be searching for garden information on smartphones. These are the tasks and goals we will be realizing in the following videos. Thanks for watching, friends. Like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next videos.